Hello everyone, welcome to Positivity Electrified Life Simplified. Today's thought-provoking question is, what are the some simple yet nutritious meal you enjoy cooking for yourself? What are the some simple yet nutritious meal you enjoy cooking for yourself? Hope you understood the question. I'm pretty sure it's not Maggie or any 2 minutes noodle which you prepare, but it's about nutritious meal you enjoy cooking for yourself. Right? Cooking is really a great way of composing yourself, trying to understand each ingredients, make it into a proper dish, enjoyable dish, and you taste it, you feel the outcome of it, right? So this is where we start saluting our mother, our wife, our sister, whoever is helping us to do that, and the chefs who are making some great meal for us. So it's an art. Cooking is an art. Cooking requires a lot of patience. Cooking requires a lot of thought as well. So just think about it. If you've cooked any kind of nutritious meal which you enjoy cooking for yourself, right? Okay, when you have it, you say, okay, you've done a great job. Just think about it. And if you have it, comment the same. Till next time, have a great day and a positive day. Bye-bye.